Shalom, Kahala, Yahweh, Ba'ashim, Yahushai, Ba'ashim Rakakadash. Much honors and respects to the apostles and others, a great millstone, and to all the brothers out there doing the work in sincerity and truth, rightfully dividing the word of truth. You do that through your precepts. I say, Shalom. Back for another quick 4-part lesson. And what we're going to get into is the word predestined, okay? Predestinated, predestination, all right? However you want to see it, I don't know, however you're using it, all right? And of course, in biblical terms, scriptural terms. Okay, this is the definition in Google of the Most High power, right? Because that's what God means, power. Destined someone for a particular faith or purpose, right? Now, as you continue reading here in the definition, for example, look what it says underneath that. Calvinists, right? And that's what vocab Malone is, all right? And again, people, that Christianity is replacement theology. I'll show you what that is in a minute here, too. Calvinists believe that every person, listen to what is written here, because this is falsehood. This is false precepts, all right? This is conscientious lies here, all right? Pseudo. Calvinists believed that every person was predestined by the Most High to go to heaven or hell. Now, why do I say that? Because, first of all, it's correct that everybody, when they die, their spirit goes back to the same place, the Father of spirits, okay? Because he's the creator. And the scriptures do tell you that, okay? Right off the top of my head, what's an example of that? Escalates 12 and 7, I believe. All right? Give me a minute. What does it say right here, people? Then shall the dust return to the earth as it was, and the spirit shall return unto the Most High who gave it. Hello. Yeah, so what does this prove? There ain't no hell, people. Hell is about a condition. Okay? You people don't get into the etymology of words. Okay? That's your problem. All right? You have to get into, the Greek, the Hebrew, the Latin. All right? You understand? Get into etymology of words. Let's get back. Give me a minute. All right, let's read about replacement theology here, okay? What does it say here? Supersessionism, also called replacement theology, is a Christian doctrine. This is your Christianity doctrine, people, that the Christian church has superseded the Jewish people, first of all, Israelites, okay? You Negro, Latinos, Native Americans, assuming their role, replacing Israelites, you Negro, Latinos, Native Americans, who was God's people, his chosen people, and that's according to what's written in the scriptures, as well as in secular history written by Edomite scholars. Assuming their role as God's covenant people. In other words, that Gentiles, right, the heathen, that they are God's people now. That is your Christianity. This is the Christianity that you have been taught, that you've been brainwashed, and this stuff has gone on for centuries, passed down. It started with the church, but through your families. Do you understand? Okay? See? So, assuming their role as God's covenant people, thus asserting that the covenant of Yahushai the Mashiach, of course, they have Jesus Christ here. There's no such person. Okay? That goes back to Serapis Christos. All right? Jesus Christos, all that nonsense. All right? And superseded to replace the Mosaic covenant. You see it, people? You see it for yourself. Okay? So that's what you people have been worshiping, like, the scripture says. All right? Give me a minute. Now, we know who we worship, people, but you don't. Let's read it here in St. John's 4:22. And you see it's in red lighting. This is Yahweh Shai. Ye worship, ye know not what. You people out there that call yourself Christians. Well, like the Apostle Tahar would say, wacky-tacky Christian. Okay, you don't know what you're worshiping. I just proved to you what you're worshiping. What Christianity is, replacement theology. You read it yourself, okay? Ye worship, ye know what. So you don't know what you're worshiping. But we, right? We, the Israelites, we know what we worship. For salvation is of, as it says there, and it's Israelites. You understand? Israelites. Okay? And that's the Negro, Latino, and Native American. Okay? The scriptures tell us that, as well as in circular history, written by Edomite scholars. There you go, people. We'll end this here, people. We'll be right back with parts 2, 3, and 4. All right? To give you further understanding on being predestinated. All right? Shalom.